In the Army, the first principle of mission command is build cohesive teams through mutual trust. From those in combat to each and every supporting role, trust is vital to mission success. The functionality and dependability of deployed IT hardware relies on a trusted network of technicians who provide preventative maintenance and respond at lightning speed when something fails. SDV Solutions has been trusted to serve the federal government and the Department of Defense since 2004. As a service-disabled, veteran-owned small business and a company whose workforce is made up of military veterans, trust is a core tenet of our guiding principles. With SDV Solutions cleared and certified technicians stationed in key regions across the globe, we are technically and physically capable of meeting the needs of our customers. We value your commitment to serving the federal government, and we're eager to develop a relationship and win your trust as a partner. Cleared, trusted, experienced.